What if I told you that a massive shift in the world of finance is happening right now? And Europeans are at the forefront of it. The pharmaceutical giant GSK has just announced a groundbreaking acquisition, while SpaceX is gearing up for an IPO that could change the game. Meanwhile, the Trump family's crypto dealings have left investors reeling. Welcome to Smart Money Tips, the channel that gives you the financial truth they don't want you to know. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the latest financial news that's set to impact Europeans. If you care about your money, hit subscribe right now, because what I'm about to reveal could change everything. The problem is that many Europeans are not prepared for the financial implications of these developments. According to a recent survey, 60% of Europeans are not confident in their ability to manage their finances, and 45% are not saving enough for retirement. In fact, the average European retiree can expect to live on just €24,000 per year, which is barely enough to cover the basics. In countries like Greece and Portugal, the situation is even more dire, with pensioners relying on just €15,000 per year. The situation is further complicated by the fact that many Europeans are investing in cryptocurrencies, which can be highly volatile. For example, in 2022, the value of Bitcoin dropped by 65%, wiping out millions of euros in investments. Now, let's take a closer look at the main content. Firstly, GSK's acquisition of Nuvalent, Inc. is a significant development in the pharmaceutical industry. The deal is worth a staggering $1.5 billion, and it's expected to boost GSK's revenue by 10% in the next year. This could have a major impact on European investors, who have seen their portfolios take a hit in recent years. For example, the European pharmaceutical sector has underperformed the broader market by 15% in the past year. Secondly, SpaceX's IPO ambitions are riding on the success of its Starship program, which aims to take humans to Mars. If successful, this could create a whole new industry, with massive investment opportunities for Europeans. In fact, the European Space Agency has already invested €1 billion in the program, and it's expected to create thousands of jobs across the continent. Thirdly, the Trump family's crypto dealings have left investors reeling, with some estimates suggesting that investors have lost up to €2.3 billion on Trump-related cryptocurrencies. This is a stark reminder of the risks of investing in unregulated markets, and Europeans need to be cautious when investing in cryptocurrencies. So, what can Europeans do to protect their finances? Firstly, diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of low-risk and high-risk assets. Secondly, consider investing in European companies that are leading the way in innovation, such as pharmaceuticals and space technology. Finally, always do your research before investing in any asset, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's everything for today. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button. It helps more Europeans find this truth. Subscribe for daily financial insights. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay wealthy.